Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can load and use custom roster in Madden 27. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do, simply go to creation center and over here we need to select the option load/delete files. So once you have downloaded or once you have created your custom roster, you'll able to find it in roster tab. So this is the roster which I'm gonna load. So we have to select that, and here keep in mind that once you load this roster, your current progress will be lost. So if you're sure about it, simply select yes, select OK. Now simply hit the back button. Now to use that roster for the franchise mode, we need to go to franchise. Here select the option create/load. In here we're gonna select create new league. Here doesn't matter if you go for offline or online. So for the sake of this video, I'll select online. Then here make sure to select roster file option, and they'll simply start importing our roster. So wait for a few seconds. Okay guys, the roster is successfully imported. Now we have to select the team. I'll select this one, Jets. Let me select the coach type. Once you do that, you have to basically customize your coach, but for instance I'll simply save and exit this. Now let me select the option start playing preseason. Let me select continue. I'm gonna show you whether the roster is used or not. So for that, what I can do, I can simply go to manage roster and select the option roster here. I had created player by the name of AAA and he was in the Titans. Let me select Titans and he was quarterback. So here you can see this is the player I have created. It means that the roster is successfully loaded and we are currently using it for our franchise. So yeah guys, that's it. This is the process you need to follow to load and use custom roster in franchise mode in Madden 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.